Why does your scanner show the P0643 engine code? What does it mean? P0643 is a diagnostic trouble code sensor reference voltage A circuit high. It indicates a problem with the sensor reference voltage A circuit, specifically a high voltage condition. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. Faulty wiring, failed sensor, power supply issues, internal PCM fault. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Chevrolet, Lexus, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.